goggles off. Goggles, goggles. Before I lose them, where's my goggles? I can't see a thing. Okay. I didn't have my goggles on. My goggles. I mean, it's going to be that grassy stuff again.
What?
It's going to be that grassy stuff again.
Yeah, we could see if this goes.
Let's go. Yeah, let's stay on the single track. Let's try to get up on a ridge.
Yeah.
And if anything, we'll side hill. But I don't want to climb up this grassy stuff. It's just too.
Too slick.
Yeah, it's not fun. It becomes work. This is a fun single track.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know why it's here.
Our like trails that in the U.S. are all for motorcycles.
Yeah.
And these are alpaca trails. We don't know what to expect.
Right. Yeah, they got rocks and.
It's nothing that somebody else could have already ridden, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. I bet nobody's ridden this. Cool, man. Here we go. If we can go up. Yeah, I think so. That was good. That was fun.
Yeah, it was. Got a little swirly for